Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download your information on Facebook. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, and once you are here, click on see more in account center. Okay, and here you can see your information and permissions. Click on that. Click on download your information, and here you can see download or transfer information. Click here, select your account, click on next, available information or your specific type of information. So let's suppose I want specific type of information, so post. Okay, click on next, download to device or transfer to destination. So I want to download to this device. Click on next, and here you need to select the date range. Okay, and click on create files. Okay, now you can see that this information request is being prepared for download. So once it is completed, you will get an email. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.